Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how you can assign keyboard shortcuts to any terminal command in Ubuntu or Ubuntu GNOME. So this is on the GNOME desktop, the GNOME settings app. So you just got to go to the settings app in GNOME first. And now we will go down here and go to keyboard shortcuts. And in here we have all of our keyboard shortcuts. If we go all the way to the bottom, we can see custom shortcuts, and you can click the plus sign. So right now I have xkill as ctrl+ESC. So if you don't know, xkill is a terminal command, and xkill, right? So that's what the command is. And for example, if I had a window that was unresponsive, I can run xkill, and my mouse turns into an X, and I can click on the window and it kills it. It like literally just kills it right there. If you have any unsaved work, it'll just be gone. And that's just what xkill is, but I set it to ctrl+ESC. So now, if I hit ctrl+ESC, it goes to that, and I can't do that. So you click plus, and then for example, if I wanted to say xkill, so I'm just going to remove this so that you can see. So I will do xkill, and then the command will be xkill, because this is the terminal command that will be run. And then the shortcut, we will press it in here, so ctrl+ESC. And you can review this, see if it's correct. If it didn't get your shortcut correctly, you can redo it, or if it's not available, you can just redo that as well. And when you're done, you will click add, and you will have a new shortcut up here, and you can see that it works. So that is how you set a keyboard shortcut to a command in GNOME.